started on this soak press. What I'm first gonna do is go ahead and wash my hair. It is so dirty and it looks so crazy. I had a sew-in for about 2 months in my head, so it really needs a wash. So I'm about to hop in the shower, wash it, and then after we're gonna start the blow drying process. Before I do anything, I make sure to brush it out. It's really important to go ahead and brush your hair out before you just, you know, shower. You want to make sure that there's no knots left in there, because it just makes the process like so much easier. Okay, I'm out of the shower and I'm about to wash. I'm gonna get out of the shower and then wash. What is wrong with you? Anyways, I'm out the shower. Now I'm about to dry this straight before I straighten it. I think it's super important to dry your hair before it gets dry, like from the air. This makes the process of drying it straight that much easier. I forgot what you call it. I feel like there's a word for it. But I can't think of it. But yeah, gonna go ahead and do that. I don't have like one of those I don't have one of those attachments. I just have a regular blow dryer, but I'm just gonna go in and do that right now. What am I doing? I forgot to tell you guys that I'm also gonna be putting this Not Your Mother's here's what is it called, Not Your Mother's All Eyes on Me spray in my hair before I go ahead and put some heat on it, because you guys want to stay away from heat damage. So spraying that all in my hair now. We are good to go. Okay, so now I'm gonna go through and straighten it. I'm doing really tiny sections since I don't have one of those brushes to straighten my hair before, you know, actually use the flat iron. So just do like tiny sections. This is what I have done so far. And yeah, just gonna do my whole hair in tiny sections. Okay, so update you guys, I am almost done. Ugh, I feel like someone needs to pay me to do my own hair, because this feels like a job. This feels like a whole job. But here is, I have the rest. I only have this much left that I have in this ponytail. So far so good, I feel like. So far, so good. Shelly Teller.